The unique and intriguing flavor combination of this Kelewele ice cream recipe will make you want more. Long time no experiment in my kitchen, so today I decided to bring you this recipe, which I'm sure you're going to love, so do stick and stay. So I'm going to start by cooking my plantain. So in my saucepan, I've already cleaned and cut up my plantain nicely. I'm adding a bit of water in there, and then I'll leave this to cook completely. So this took about 5 minutes and we were ready. Here in the bowl, I also have some powdered milk. This is what we refer to as non-dairy. So essentially, it has very low sugar, okay? So I'm going in with some sugar and then some salt to taste. Now let's go in with some Kelewele spices. So I have some cloves, grains of celery, some ginger, some peppercorns as well. So essentially every spice that you can use in your Kelewele, you can use in this ice cream, okay? So you can even add pepper if you like. Of course, it depends on how you like your ice cream. But I would say do not overdo it or else you will not enjoy the creamy nature of this ice cream, okay? So I went in with some warmed up evaporated milk, some vanilla essence, and hot water. Hot water because 1, we want the sugar to dissolve, and 2, we want the spices to really seep into the ice cream when it cools down, okay? If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi, and this is my kitchen taste and bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch me. So our plantain is cooked now. I'm going to go ahead and blend till smooth and set it aside. So here in my bowl, I'm going to be using this fine mesh strainer to strain my milk mixture to get my ice cream base essentially, okay? So we are going to be discarding the spices because they've done their work. This is probably after 30 minutes of soaking and we are good to go. So initially I started to strain the plantain through the fine mesh into the ice cream. Then I realized it was too thick and my mesh strainer was too fine, okay? So I decided to add it in first and then go ahead and strain the mixture again to ensure that we don't have any lumps in there. I honestly didn't want the people going to eat this to have the slightest idea that I used plantains or this ice cream is Kelewele inspired, okay? If you watched the video till this end, I'm going to assume you like what you're watching, so please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And also give this video a thumbs up so it reaches a wider audience through YouTube's recommendations. On your way out, also let me know what you think about this recipe. Will you be trying it, okay? Also certainly share when you're done watching. So as you can see, I'm transferring my mixture into some cups, okay, because we are making Abele walls, if I forgot to mention in the beginning. So once they go into the cups, I'm going to put in some, essentially they should have been chewing sticks or popsicle sticks or whatever. But thanks to my children, I can't find any of those, okay? So I'm going to be using these small spoons and forks. And then I'll transfer these into my freezer overnight. And when they come out, these deliciousness will blow your mind, okay? So here we go. I hope you are inspired to try this recipe and let me know how it goes. Trust me, apart from the subtle kick of spice, you will have no idea this is made from plantain too. I do hope you add this to your list of desserts and let me know how it goes. And until we meet again, keep blooming.